Hi there, students. Opulent is an adjective, and opulence is the corresponding noun from opulent. Opulent means rich, sumptuous, extravagant, and often ostentatious. Possessing and exhibiting great power and wealth. He lives a very opulent life. A five-star hotel should look opulent and luxurious. So, opulent, expensive, when the high cost is obvious for all to see. So notice we can use opulent in two slightly different ways. We can just use it to mean rich and wealthy. Or you can use it to mean showy, showily rich, exhibiting great wealth, luxurious. When you are showing an abundance of wealth. So opulence is this idea of conspicuous consumption. Yeah, where everybody can see how much money you've spent. Opulence, or being opulent, it's almost a way to show everybody how rich and powerful you are. Have you ever met the spoiled children of opulent families? Or perhaps you could say that Hollywood is always trying to tell us that if we are opulent, we are everything, and if we're not opulent, we are nothing. It's clearly not true. So, opulent, luxurious, lavish, sumptuous, plush, or rich, wealthy, stinking rich, rolling in it. The family lived in opulent surroundings. He's an opulent speculator on the stock market. So, either of two ways, rich with lots of money, or showy and abundant to the point of ostentation. Because really you might be rich, but you could live a frugal lifestyle. However, most wealthy people live in opulence. So could we use this as a metaphor? I think probably yes. The opulent growth of his beard, the opulent facilities provided by a first-class university. So here, a great abundance of, but it's still a metaphor, so be careful how you use it figuratively. Okay, so the next question is formality. I think I'd probably give opulent a 6.5 in formality. It certainly sounds a bit posh and a bit literary. I think in an informal conversation, rich, wealthy, luxurious, something like that. And as to origin, well, it comes from the Latin opulens, opulentus. Ops meaning wealth and power, and then the lentus characteristic of. And apparently it even comes from a Proto-Indo-European word, hop, meaning to work or to produce in abundance. So I guess none of us are opulent, but I don't think opulence is everything. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Opulent and opulence.